Esty here. I welcome you once again back to my channel. This is a very highly requested video because many of you guys were really asking me how I do maintain my hair and how my hair is more silky, soft and shiny. So I am going to reveal the two important secrets, two main ingredients that I've used for so many years, and it has really worked for me, guys. I've tested and nothing else works like this. So many of you guys would already know about this, but for those who don't know, please watch this video so that you will also have long, shiny and voluminous hair. So the first and foremost thing is onions. Every kitchen has this ingredient, and with this you can have a voluminous hair as you really want to have. So what you have to do is take the onions and grind it and get the juice out of it, and you have to apply it all over your scalp. So you have to take that onion juice. You can use this for twice a week or maybe twice a week as well. So what you have to do is take the onion juice and apply it all over your scalp as you apply oil. You need not apply it on your ends of the hair because that's not needed at all. Only on the scalp. And one thing I would like to share with you guys, I started taking straight partition recently. The reason is I was getting the hair here was going a little by little, it was just falling out. So I really got scared and I started taking straight partition. So after I started applying this onion on the areas wherever I had the hair fall, and again the volume started increasing. So this onion really works wonders. The only thing you have to bear up with these beauties are the smell. The smell is really bad. It's very cold, and the smell, it doesn't even smell good. So that's the one and only thing you have to bear up with it. So other than that, this is the best product and it's highly tested. So the second ingredient, the second thing, what I use is this beautiful coconut. So I've shredded the coconut here and I have the coconut milk extracted here. So what I did is, yesterday I applied coconut milk all over my hair, my roots, my scalp, as well as the ends of my hair. So this helps in a lot of ways, guys. One, if you have a dry scalp or itchy scalp because of dandruff, then this really works wonders for you. You have to definitely try this. And the next thing what it does is that your split ends will be just gone. No split ends, and your hair will start growing very faster. And there's no tangles at all. Tangle free, smooth and silky hair, as you can see what I've got here now. So if you're very lazy to extract, shred your coconut and then extract the coconut milk like this, what you can do is you can buy ready-made coconut creams, and they are super good. The smell that comes out of it is so so tempting. I will eat that all the time so that I will extract this coconut milk. So that's how it works. So these are always with me. I use onions as well as coconut cream or coconut milk on my hair so that is shiny and black and no tangles and silky soft, no split ends. So this is what I use. Apart from this, you can also use curd and lemon, but I do not prefer to use curd and lemon because that makes my hair dry and get a weird smell out of it. So I'm not a person who uses curd as well as lemon on my hair. You can also use aloe vera gel on your hair, or as naturally extracted aloe vera from the aloe vera leaf. That is also very good. You can also use that on your hair as well as on your scalp. So healthy, straight, shiny, silky, tangle-free, no split ends, voluminous hair. What else a girl would need? Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also click the bell icon below and also subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share this video with your friends guys. See you in my next video. Until then, this is SK Krish. Goodbye. Take care.